Hey, it's your turn to play. The choice is yours. This is how it works. Sometime today, we're going to be visited by a millionaire. It might be Donald Trump, might be Oprah Winfrey, I don't know. At any rate, they're going to give you two options. They're going to ask you to choose. Either they're going to give you $1 million and you can have it right now. No strings attached. You take it, you run, you spend it, whatever you want. Or they're going to give you 1 cent. But to go along with that 1 cent, every day for the next 30 days, they're going to double that. So, what do you want? Do you want the $1 million or do you want the 1 cent? If you chose the $1 million, here it is. Take it, run, have fun. But if you chose the 1 cent, let's get started and see what happens to your money. On day 1, you have 1 cent. On day 2, you're up to 2 cents. Day 3, you're at 4 cents. And day 4, you're up to 8 cents. Day 5, that 8 cents doubles to 16 cents. And finally on day 6, it doubles up to 32 cents. At day 7, you're at 64 cents. And hey, 1 week has passed. You know what you can do? You can go out and buy yourself a Hershey's candy bar. Never mind that your friends are out in the Bahamas at their fancy resorts and driving their fast cars and shopping at all sorts of malls and having pizza parties. Remember, you've got a candy bar. At day 8, you have $1.28. Then double that on day 9 to get $2.56. Again, multiply that by 2 and you're at $5.12. That again gets doubled on day 11, gives you a grand total of $10.24. At day 12, you're at $20.48. Day 13, that $20 doubled, now you're at $40.96. Day 14, you're up to $81.92. And it's been 2 weeks. You know what you can get now? You can buy 6 CDs. So here's a little advice on buying those CDs. I think you should get an Elvis CD and some Randy Travis. Everybody needs a Barry Manilow album in their collection. And how about some Hannah Montana? Maybe a little bit of Barney, in case you have some younger visitors come over to your house on the holidays. Oh, and speaking of the holidays, you need a Christmas CD. How about some Elton John? Yeah, that ought to do it. There's your 6 CDs. So at day 14, we were at $81.92. When you double that, for day 15, we're at $163.84. At day 16, we're at $327.68, which brings us to day 17. That would be $655.36. Doubling that, we're over $1,000 now for day 18. That's $1,310.72. Day 19, we're at $2,621.44. Finally, we're up to day 20. We've hit over $5,000 now, folks. It's $5,242.88. And then day 21, $10,485.76. We're at the end of 3 weeks. It's time to go buy some stuff again. Okay, so this time, with that $10,000, you could buy a 2009 Accent by Hyundai. Well, if you don't have a driver's license, you might not want that. So you could also buy 42 Wii's. There you go. At day 22, we're at $20,971.52. When that gets doubled, we're at $41,942.04. Day 24, $83,884.08. Double that to get day 25, that would be $167,768.16. Day 26, $335,536.32. Day 27, $671,072.64. Now, if it was February, this would be the end of the month, but it's not, so we get to keep going. But at day 28, you're at $1,342,145.28. So I'm wondering, anybody that took the million wish you wouldn't have? Maybe you would have liked to have started off with that 1 cent. Because if you started off with 1 cent, by day 29, you would have $2,684,290.56. And finally, at day 30, you are at a grand total of $5,368,581.12. Not bad for starting off with a penny.